Hello guys, good morning. How are you doing? Okay. All right. So I've come with this question right here. This question came in 2023. Always expect an exam question on this topic. It's parabola. And when it have asked you to find the coordinates, so look at this question. Find the coordinates of A. So we're finding the coordinates at this point of A. So we need to find the x-axis. We also find the y-axis like that. So we've got y is equal to negative 4x minus x power 2. This is what we have. So we shall say negative 4x minus x power 2 is equal to a 0. We solve this quadratic equation. So we're going to solve it by factorization method. So we shall say x, open bracket, negative 4 minus x is equal to 0. The next thing will be x is equal to a 0 or negative 4 minus x is also equal to 0. Negative x is equal to a 4. This 4 crosses the equal sign, comes this side. We divide by negative 4 by negative 4. This and this will go, x will be equal to a negative 4. So you see the way it is? We found the x value and this x value. That simply means here it will be x is negative 4, y will be a 0. You remember that wherever this graph is cutting the x-axis, this is the x-axis, the y-axis will always be 0. And at this point, it's a 0, 0. So our answer just wanted us to find for point A, which is negative 4, 0. Our question. So the turning point here is what we are finding. So find or calculate the coordinates of the turning point of the graph. So this graph is moving like this, and where it's making a turn, it's this at this point. So we also need to find the x-axis and y-axis at this point. So to find the turning point or coordinates of the turning point, we're going to first find the x-axis. And the x-axis, we calculate this x-axis using the formula like this. This is a formula. So we shall say negative b will be a negative 4 over 2, our a will be a negative 1. So let me show you. When you've got a quadratic equation, the way it is, let me write it here. Negative 4x minus x power 2 is equal to 0. So where there is power 2 here, it's a. Where there is a number with our coefficient with a letter here, it's our b. And where there is a number without a letter, in this case it's a 0, we have a 0 here, it's our c. So our a is negative 1, is what we need to put here, and our b is a negative 4, is what we need to put here. So we shall say equal to a 4 over negative 2. Negative times negative will give us a positive, so it will be positive 4, and then negative times positive here, which will be a negative. So when we divide negative 2 into itself, it's 1. Negative 2 into positive 4, it's negative 2. So our x value is a negative 2. So we found the x-axis, it's a negative 2, negative 2. The y-axis, to find the y-axis, we need to get the given equation. So the given equation here is y is equal to negative 4x minus x power 2. So we shall say y is equal to negative 4. Here we substitute where there is x, we put the x value, which is a negative 2 minus negative 2 here, power 2. So y is equal to 8 minus, 8 minus 2. So 8 minus a 2. Because this negative will go because of this power, actually minus 4, because of this power, and then 2 power 2. So here it will be like this. Negative 2 times negative 2, which will give us a positive 4. So positive 4 and this negative, it will be minus 4, which is equal to a 4. Okay? So the value of y or the y-axis is equal to a 4. So the answer here, it's a negative 2, a 4. Thank you.